up, everybody? Nerdy Boy here, and today I got a few pickup like vids. Today I got this dragonite tin. I have two of these. I can do a giveaway on my Instagram. If you guys don't have me on Instagram, make sure you do follow me. If you don't have me on YouTube, make sure you follow me. I picked up these. I know a lot of people probably hate these, but some people say they got like vintage card in here, a base set card. Some people got some really good cards out of this, so I wanted to give it a try. They also got this Charizard Vivid Voltage. Really liking that artwork. Look at that Zord. Nice. So let's start off with this tin. This tin contains one dragonite hollow foil, and it contains 3 random Pokemon TCG booster packs. Let's take a look at it. Always was a big fan of the tins back in the days. I used to have a whole bunch of them. What I did with them, I have no clue. Already, look at that dragonite. You guys can see it. I'll leave them in the thing. Nice looking hollow dragonite. And of course, for you guys, boom, there's a code card. If you guys want code cards, just let me know. Leave a description in the bottom. Alright, so what do we get here? Nice. We got 2 Crimson Invasions and 1 Evolution. Ooh. Come on. Come on. Let's get that morning. Let's see what we pull here. Oh my shirt is like crappy today. Alright. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Alright, 4 to the front. Let's play the game. Guess that energy. I'm going to say fire. Water. Close. Fire and water. Let's start it off. Let me fix this a little bit. There we go. We got a Grumpig. What is this? Mawile. Energy. Chimichurri. What was this called again? Corfish. Ghastly. Nice Aaron. Dino. Another of this. I kind of hate when they have the normal one and then they have the reverse hollow one. Like, we didn't like the first one. Why would we like the second one? Whatever. And then, ooh, a Kartana GX. To be honest, I've never seen this Pokemon, ever. But it looks nice. Let me know if you guys seen this before. It's nice. Look at that. So already, starting off good with these Crimson Invasions. Let's do another one. Oh, actually, this one is not Crimson. This is actually a Burning Sun. A Burning Shadows. The first one was Crimson. So let's get into this Burning Shadow. One, 2, 3, 4. Guess that energy, guys. I'm gonna say Psychic. Oof, electric. And we got a Porygon. What is that? 2. We have a Charmeleon. That's a nice looking Charmeleon, guys. Love the artwork. Got a Wabafat. And Moraloom. Duskull. Nice looking artwork also. Oddish. What's this? A Taimano? Why does it look like someone stitched them together? We got a donkey. No. Murdray. And we have a reverse hollow brush kiss. Or brush tish. Or the guy with the lips. And we have a Lydian non-holographic. Alright. Let's get to this evolution. Raichu pack. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess that. Oh no, there's no energy on this one. Shit. So. Trainer. Sorry. Nidorino. Trainer. Machop. And everybody loves the original artworks. Nidoran. Ponyta. Drowsy. Electabuzz. A holographic, a reverse hollow potion, and Eradicate. Damn you, rat! Damn you, rat! Not what we wanted. I'll do the Charizard last. Let's open up a few of these, whatever these things are called. They said the good card is in the beginning, so I'll put that in the back. So, take the one in the front, put it in the back, and let's start off. A reverse hollow. Maybe I did it wrong, I don't know. But there we go. That's the first card. Trainer. Potion. Poliwag, and this is from the evolution pack. Scyther, nice looking Scyther. It's just random cards in it, guys. That's a nice select. Voltorb, I mean. Mahohita. A Pharaoh. That bug, you guys know that bug. Come on. Drowsy taking a freaking walk on the beach. Must be nice, huh? Snowing where I'm at. Yeah, there's that guy. There's the Pokemon, a Rosalind, a Skormory, and a reverse hollow Alolan Sandshrew. This is how I'm feeling right now, guys. Nice and cold out here. So I did get 2 reverse hollows. Maybe they, instead of a hollow, I got 2 reverse instead. Let's open up another one. That's pretty good. Not too bad. If you guys didn't see the video of yesterday, I opened up one of these. One of these right here I opened it up, and guess what? I pulled 2 Charizards. Not 1, but 2 Charizards. Check out that video, guys. Trust, it was awesome. And those packs are up for grabs on my Instagram. So if you guys want to definitely take a look at it, do so. Don't miss out. Alright, let's start it off. Trainer. A Magikarp. This is an evolution one. Golem. A Slowpoke. Cleomouth. Porygon. Nice little artwork for Porygon. A Rhyperior. A Alolan Meowth. A Bellsprout. Oops. A Gloom. Gloom just always looks like he's on something. Because that guy is just done. Done. There's a Blizzle. That bird from Looney Tunes, the Roadrunner. Beep beep. Psyduck. And a Magnemite. And a reverse hollow Lapras. I'm liking that artwork with the rainbow. Misty's in the corner. Nice. Nice. Pretty good pulls, guys. I don't know about you, but I think they're all right. Start off with the next one. Trainer. The monkey. Score Bunny. The Yamper. Yeah, that guy. That other one. A Galarian Ponyta. It's nice. What's it? Saladin. Yo, I saw it real quick. I was like, what? A Dark Charizard? What? I got all excited. Rosalind. Coffant. It looks like a fan to me. Goldeen. A Forest Seed. A Diglett. You guys see my Diglett? And a Porygon. Reverse hollow. Nice looking Porygon. Nice. I'll save the other ones for tomorrow, I guess. Alright, let's start it off with Trainer Monica. Charmander. Ekans. Eevee. Krabby. Chinchilocha. Bajojito. I know I'm killing these names, guys. Galarian Ponyta. Bishard. A Galarian Stunfish. Sizzle little Spittle. Never seen him. And Magmar. I like his artwork. It's really nice. There's a reverse hollow Magmar. Nice looking Magmar. Alright, that was pretty good. Let's do this Charizard. I know it doesn't come with packs, but I just wanted to see this Charizard. Let me know what your guys' favorite Pokemon is. I'll show you guys my pulls from yesterday. That was freaking awesome. It looks nice. Comes in a nice box. Got a little Charizard coin right there. And we got a Charizard poster. Look at that. It's not only a poster, guys, it's also a field. Can't go wrong with a Charizard field, right? And some tokens. And more tokens. The quick start and rule book of how to play. Step 1, get all the good Pokemons. Step 2, kick some ass. I already like the sound of that. Sounds easy. Charizard Tame Decks. Let's see. Oh, they even have a checklist for all the Pokemon from Written Footage. Alright? What you can do during your turn. Draw a card. Instructions, guys. And Vivid Voices Charizard Theme Deck. There's that code card, guys. Go ahead and claim that. And let's see this sexy beast. Look at that. Look at that Charizard. Everybody wants that Charizard. And of course, the theme deck. Let's see it. I know it's a lot of trainer cards and stuff, energies, but always love to take a look at it. Let me just. Hey, got a Lugia. Just take out the cards we don't need, because we don't need them. We don't need all the energies. It comes with a lot of energizer and trainers. Let's just go through whatever's in here. A Lugia. Nice. Charmeleon. Slugma. Morocco. Charmander. Yama. Fire. Thing. Yanegma. Fire. Trainer. Morocco. Slugma. Yama. Trainer. Charmander. Sudowoodo. So pretty much it's the same cards, guys. I'm gonna keep flipping through them all because they're the same. Charmander, Charmeleon, Sudowoodo, Yama. Oh, and here is a Charizard again, but non-holographic. It's okay. We have another Charizard. It's gonna be huge. And that is it for today. But let me just fix all this. You guys let me know what you guys liked. What's your favorite card? What are you on the search for? And today's pools. Holo Charizard. Reverse Magmar. Reverse Porygon. Okay, Lapras. This guy that's upside down. Sandshrew. Rat-a-tat-tat-tat. Energy. Chim Chim Chamao. This guy that I've never seen before. Kissy Kissy. Leda. And a Charizard. I think that was pretty good. Okay, pool, guys. I didn't get anything crazy today, so that was all right. Let me show you some of my pools from last time. Arcanine, Charizard, wait, what? Charizards? So this is my base set 2 Charizard. I had this one for a while since I was a kid. This is the one I pulled from Evolutions box. But now I only got one, I got 2. Maniton, a Blastoise, what is this one? EX, the Moltres, Zapdos, and Articuno Tag Team, GX, a Lucario, a Drowsy Reverse, a Sandshrew. There's another couple cards. I just gotta go through them a little bit better. But yeah, we got that Nidoking, Pikachu, Chansey, that base set 2 Mewtwo, base set Blastoise, Chansey, base set Venusaur, Evolutions Machamp. Guys, we've just been getting good cards lately. Very, very nice cards. Nice. And guys, we can't forget the card that made everything happen. Here it goes. The most powerful Pokemon of all. Exodia. It's Yu-Gi-Oh! Alright guys, if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, follow, and share. Nerdy Boy out.